We almost got it. We're almost to the top. Look, we got like 2 more feet. We'll be done next week with this side. Then we got that other one to do over there. Oh, I appreciate it, man. Definitely. Thank you, RC. Yo, if I hadn't had a chance, go ahead and check out my previous uploads. I got a bunch of stuff going on. Multiple projects, but this is my main focus. Okay. I put or Cash put a half a bag of poison for Layamos.
Yeah, I saw it. That's todo tapado.
Okay, cool.
So, no destape nada. Maybe you can just stop that or
We'll take one.
okay.
Huh?
On the brush.
I'll leave it in the truck.
Uh,
What about his drill?
lo tapé todo. Y dejó su pinche cortadora aquí, no va a entender.
What cortadora? Grinder?
Like the one I got.
Oh,
Mira.
Dremel. Oh. Llévatela para mi troca. Okay.
You know what coming up here?
Serrucho Grande is on that truck? I mean on the truck, on the... Okay.
What's that?
Alright guys, look how this cleans up. Y'all saw earlier it looked like shit. Now it's cleaning up. What else we got, Cash?
I was just looking around, see if anything feels.
Alright. Bet. You struck and brushed and sponged everything you did, right? From earlier? You never sponged it? Alright. Yes, it does. Alright, see, it takes a little more time, and it's actually a little cold today. I don't know why. Got like a cold front. We're starting off, we're going to start off June, or finish May, going into June with a cold day, cold weekend. It's crazy over here.
We usually use the sponge or we use that flat brush.
Okay, that's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Hey, Cash, I get that hat. That hat over there by the
Oh, damn. Is that loud for you guys? How loud is it? Now that the bell rang, everybody hit the subscribe button. That's the bell for y'all to hit the subscribe button. That's all that meant. That means everybody's time to hit the subscribe button. Appreciate everybody watching. Got 53 people watching, Cash.
Okay.
Appreciate everybody that's been joining. Appreciate everybody that's been a part of this live. Keep going. Yeah, man, it is loud, RC. It's loud, but I got my headphones on. So it kind of muffles it a little bit. It ain't that bad.